Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a fat burner machine effectively. Before you begin, it's essential to understand your specific device. Always consult with a healthcare professional to confirm its suitability for your body. Thoroughly reading the user manual is crucial for safe and optimal operation, ensuring you get the most out of your sessions. This preparation sets the foundation for a successful experience. Proper preparation is key to maximizing your results and ensuring safety. Hydrate well by drinking several glasses of water before you start. Choose comfortable attire that won't restrict movement. Make sure your skin is clean and dry, free from any lotions or oils, to allow for optimal contact with the machine. Also, clear the surrounding area to avoid any tripping hazards. During your session, adhere to the recommended duration, usually between 15 and 30 minutes. Consistency is vital, so aim for 3 to 5 sessions each week for best outcomes. Begin with a lower intensity setting and gradually increase it as your body adapts. Always maintain correct posture and body positioning, following the specific instructions provided in your machine's guide. After your session, remember to rehydrate by drinking more water. Clean your machine properly to maintain hygiene and longevity. For the best results, integrate machine use with a healthy, balanced diet and consistent physical activity. It's important to have realistic expectations. Results take time and vary for everyone, so patience and dedication are truly essential.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.